Okay, day one of my living in a Prius situation. I'm in Hawaii. I couldn't ship my van because the boat was full of military gear, so I got a mattress for my Prius, folded the rear seats down, got a bunch of this Reflectix to cover all the windows. I made window cutouts all day. Exciting. And here's the sunset. I'm in a parking lot at the airport, so it's kind of loud, but it's all good. I will I'm sure of it. Let's see how this experiment goes. I am here for 17, 18 more days, and rather than pay $125 a night for a hotel until the van gets here, I'm sleeping in the Prius. It is actually super comfy. That's memory foam. This was $150. Pillow was like 20. Reflectix was, I've had that from my old apartment. I think I paid $50 for that to cover apartment windows a long time ago. So definitely cheaper than the nasty hotel. So here I am in the Prius, night 2. Night 1 was fine. Here's the hatch. I'm laying with my feet between the front seats. I'm right around, just barely under 6 feet tall. So it's a tight fit, but it's working. Super fancy. All right, it's night 6 in the Prius. It's actually working out pretty decent. It's really weird. Got my feet hanging out between the seats. This bed is super comfortable. It's kind of crazy. I ended up rolling the rear windows down about 4 inches just to get some airflow going through. I could run the air conditioner on low and it'd be fine, but no need. A little bit of airflow works out perfect. Night 6, we're going for 7. Then I'm moving. 7 nights in the Prius. I've survived. It's the morning. Got my other phone. Here's a flashlight. But overall, for Prius camping, it's not bad. It's totally doable. And I'm 6 feet tall. Well, just barely under. Anyways, I think I might sleep a little bit longer just because I can. Have a good night.